Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to verify your GoDaddy domain in Google Search Console. Let's get started. First, open GoDaddy and log into your account. Then, head over to My Products. Here, you will see all of your domains listed. So I will be verifying this one. Next, go to Google Search Console. The easiest way to find it, just Google Search Console. Click on the first result and it will take you to the console homepage. Once you're there, click the drop-down menu in the top left and select Add Property. Now, choose the domain option. Go back to GoDaddy, copy your domain, and paste it into the input box. Then, click Continue. At this point, Google will attempt to verify your domain, but it won't succeed yet, since we haven't done the actual verification step. Google will now give you specific instruction for GoDaddy. Click Start Verification. In most cases, it will automatically connect to GoDaddy. Go ahead and click Connect. Thanks to GoDaddy's integration, this process is super easy and quick. And that's it. After a few seconds, you should see this message, Ownership Verified. You are all set. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.